Hey, good morning, everybody. Sorry about that little bit of a technical difficulty there. It's March 23rd, 2026. Great to be with all of you today. My name is Bob Lang for our Daily Bites. And song, of course, spin me right around like a record. And apparently the markets are doing the same thing, spinning us all around like a record. We had a huge drop in the futures overnight, and we were down close to 62, 64 handles. And all of a sudden, a tweet comes out saying that negotiations over the weekend were going well with Iran from President Trump, and all of a sudden, futures just did an about face and went up about 100 and I don't know, almost 180 handles from the lows, almost 200 handles, and we're up near those highs right now. See 134 handles on SP 500. This is in similar fashion to what happened last year in April after Liberation Day, where the futures jumped up after getting pounded. Right now this is a dangerous environment to be trading in, right? If you like danger, if you like being like Frogger, jumping in and out of traffic and trying to dodge cars, well, then this is the game for you. But right now, I think it's very difficult in these conditions to post consistent gains, consistent winners, trade in and trade out, day in and day out. So I think it's a really good idea to just step back a little bit, let others fight things out. If you really have to make a trade, pitch it up. If you're going to buy some calls, then buy some puts along with it. If you have to buy some puts, then buy some calls along with it as well too. This is just a very dangerous environment here, and a lot of people are going to get hurt badly. There's going to be some people making a lot of money, but those people are guessing in the right direction, and it's going to be very, very difficult and challenging to have consistent winners in this. If you were looking for some relief here, well, you got it. This is Taco Monday. After we had a taco closing bell on Friday, things went south over the weekend, and I think somebody looked at those numbers over the weekend, and then the opening of the futures last night said, no, but we got to say something. I don't know whether it's true or not. I think the Iranians came out and said that we haven't talked to anybody. So there's that potential that this whole rally this morning could just get blown up. So I think it's probably best just to stand back right now, step back a little bit, and not do too much, because you can inflict a lot of damage, and it's very, very difficult to recover from these things. So again, if you're playing it small, play it. That's fine. Take some profits where you can. If you went long on the weekend, congratulations. Or maybe a Thursday or Friday went long, and you're seeing some gains right now, then take them off the table right now. Nothing wrong with that, right? Nobody ever went broke taking a profit. But as it is right now, I think it's a very dangerous environment here, and very dangerous, very challenging right now. The markets are telling you that things are probably pointed down. We are in a downtrend. No disputing that. Look at the chart over here. This is making a series of lower highs, lower lows. 200-day moving average. Now this morning with this pop here, we might just get a bump right up to that 200-day moving average, and have some resistance here. There's lots of resistance points from here up to there. If we got up to say 6,800, 6,830, 6,850, which is 100 and the 50-day moving average, I might change my mind. But if it happens like in one day, no, I'm not interested in it. Okay, so you've got to let the markets tell you where they're going to go. And right now, they're telling you that the high volatility, elevated VIX right now. Look, the VIX isn't even down very much right now. You'd figure that the VIX would be down 4 or 5. It's only down like 2, down 10%. We do see oil coming down quite sharply here. We see gold down a lot. Silver's down a tiny bit over here. So again, I just think you've got to use a little bit of caution right now. Step back a little bit, pay attention to what's going on, and don't have too much involvement here. So I'm in California right now. It's 5:45, 5:50 this morning, and wish you guys all have a great trading day. I'll see you guys all back on Thursday morning with some more daily bites, and just trade carefully today in the next couple of days. All right, see you then. Bye.